Hello and welcome to How to Create a Website Without Writing Code. My name is Jake Jorgevin and I'm your instructor for this course. And in this course, as you can probably guess, we're going to be teaching you how to build a website without having to write any code. The goal for you at the end of this course is to walk away with a website that you have created. You won't have had to write any code to do this, but you will have simply created the entire website on your own from scratch. We're going to be using a platform called Squarespace to build our websites on. It's very simple and it's easy to work with, and I know as soon as you get in, you're going to love it. It's easy to build your website on, and you don't have to deal with any of the technical knowledge or the code that comes along with building most other websites. This course is organized in two sections. In the first half of the course, I'm going to teach you how to actually use Squarespace, how to set up your website. I'm going to walk you through the platform page by page and option by option, explaining what everything does and demonstrating it for you. In the second half of the course, you're going to get to actually see me go in and design a website completely from scratch. You'll see me do everything and go through my entire process from planning out the website to setting up the content and then actually implementing the design as well. This course is for really anyone that's interested in building a website on their own or anyone that's interested in learning Squarespace. Even if you've never built a website before in your entire life, you're going to love this course because it's extremely simple and it's going to show you how to set up a website entirely on your own. You don't need to have any technical knowledge or any prior experience in web design to take this course. If you have experience with graphic design, that's going to help you because you're going to be able to design a better looking website. And honestly, if you're a graphic designer, I think you're going to love this platform because Squarespace allows you to be a designer and not have to worry about the code or any of that other stuff getting in your way. And even for people out there who may be web designers and are wanting to learn the Squarespace platform, this is a great course. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know. With all that being said, let's dive in and get started.